Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back for another staycation. I'm really excited to be in downtown Las Vegas at Plaza Hotel and Casino. It's going to be a great time. Come check it out with me. All right, you guys, let's go check out the room. Oh, you know what I noticed? I like how short the hallway is. I've been staying in a couple of hotels where I have to walk really far. This one is really near. Exciting part. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, I like it. Okay, you guys, this is a 2-queen deluxe. I like it. You know what I noticed? They don't have carpet, which I'm not mad about. It actually gives it a really clean feel. So let's see what that looks like from this side. I like it a lot. And there's a desk. And she did inform me at the front desk that the coffee and water was free. Here's our view. Ooh, there's a train down there. Here's the bathroom. No tub. I find though that on my staycations, I really don't have time for a nice long bath. Towels. Nice big mirror. Ooh, and the safe is in here. And, all right, let's go over here. Here's a closet. Space to hang stuff, an iron, and an ironing board. Oh, and they have a refrigerator. I love it. It's not one of those on the strip, you know how they have refrigerators. The moment you open it, you start paying for stuff. You can actually bring in your own stuff. Nice big TV. I like it, you guys. All right, let's check out the pool. Oh, nice. I love how the pool area is half sunny and half shaded at this hour, and we get a spectacular view of the Plaza mural. That one we see in the background is called Behind Closed Doors. Seeing a mural is so downtown Las Vegas to me. It's so artsy. The pool at the plaza sits in a fairly large space with a 70,000 square foot pool deck and a heated pool. There's a pool bar, food truck, day beds, a stage for events, and cabanas. You'll also find a fairly large hot tub, and you can play not tennis or badminton, but pickleball. That's obviously new to me, and I'm obviously not very sporty here, but they have a pickleball court. Let's go check out the gym. Oh wow, I've never seen a hotel gym that had boxing/kickboxing bags. Since I love boxing, this makes me happy. And look, there's a mural. This is a nice gym. It's so spacious with all of the necessities like dumbbells, treadmill, elliptical machine, and bikes. If you're looking for a quick bite, especially after your workout, there's a food court. Here are the restaurants you'll find here. There's Pink Box for delicious donuts and coffee bar where you can get grab-and-go breakfast items and coffee. So for pricing, here is my iced caramel macchiato. This is just under $7. They also have other sit-down restaurants you'll find walking towards the casino floor and on the casino floor. Whether you stay at the plaza or not, you really must try the award-winning Oscar Steakhouse. I'll link my full video featuring this restaurant in the description box below. It's absolutely delicious with a gorgeous view. The Plaza offers a good variety of table games, and you'll most likely find lower minimum bets than you would on the Strip. Depending on the time and day, many table games have $5 or $10 minimum bets. You can expect to find blackjack, craps, roulette, and 3-card poker, to name a few games. If you prefer playing slots over table games, the Plaza has many popular slot games. They have over 700 machines, including penny slots, video poker, high-limit machines, and of course favorites like Buffalo and Wheel of Fortune. Of course, I tried my hand at video poker, and I got 5 aces playing deuces double bonus, and 4 threes with a kicker playing double bonus poker. Yay! They also have a small keno lounge if that's your thing. They actually have their bingo room on another floor. I'm on the 3rd floor looking for the bingo room. It's interesting because there's hotel rooms on this floor. Found it. Yay. Me out here. Oh, it's a shortcut. Okay, got it. Love it. So if you're in your room, it's a shortcut to get to the bingo room. Let's check out the bingo room. The Plaza has the only bingo room in downtown Las Vegas. It's big in here, and they have 6 different daily sessions. The William Hill Sportsbook is a cozy spot to watch your favorite game. They have over 75 screens available. I wanted to walk out these doors by the hotel registration to show you the Plaza's Main Street facade. There's a beautiful Carousel bar, and it has Vegas's only outdoor poker machines. How cool is that? I just love all the lights on the bar and the giant showgirl. It's so old school Vegas. This was a huge plus for me and surprised, to be quite honest. I never realized how close the Fremont Street Experience was to the Plaza. All you have to do is cross the street from the Carousel bar, and you're at one of Las Vegas's best free attractions. Let's walk over there. After a day of gambling and dining at the Plaza, catching the light show and doing some people watching is a great idea. Just look how beautiful it is here. And if I turn around, there's our hotel. That's how close it is. Isn't it wonderful? And on the short walk back, you can take in the beautiful Main Street facade again and that amazing Carousel bar. I just love my stay here, and I highly recommend it as an alternative to staying on the Strip. It is so much fun down here.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at inandoutofvegas.